Welcome to another video. I am going to Florida. Depending on where in Florida, it's usually roughly 14 to 20 hours of the trip. But I was driving here. I don't know what they was doing with this blinker, but it kind of boggled me. Just nonsense. Just driving on my way to meet Molly. We had a El Jefe burrito contest, and Walmart's my favorite stop. So I always find strange stuff. There's a parking job here. A little bit out there. Walked into Walmart here, and it was surprised me that they still have fish. Almost every Walmart used to have fish in there, but you only find them in like not even 1% of the Walmarts. So it reminds me of my childhood. Every time I see the fish, I have to go over there and just watch them. I really like them neon ones, I guess, like Finding Nemo. And I like these catfish with all the whiskers. I used to have some fish from there. They got really big. I turned the corner. I saw this lady with a full cart of stuff because Easter was just over, so everything's 50% off. There's no need to have a whole cart full of stuff. Hold on. Where does she go? Molly and I arrived at Nitally's. It was in St. Petersburg, Florida. Right now, the address, this place has been sold and they moved to another location. I'm not sure where at right now, but they closed on May 31st. I think we did this in like April. We was down there for El Jefe burrito contest. Arrived, I saw somebody got the record here at 16 minutes. This is Dave Brunelli. He's 5th independent eater of the world. I want to let you know about this soup. I can't even describe it, how hot it is. You will not believe me. You just have to trust me.
Hi guys, welcome back to Nitally's channel. We got another Inferno soup challenger. These people just don't learn. This gentleman is thinking that he's gonna take our money. So, oh, you're here too? All right, come on out. Come on over. So apparently we have two people. Are you sober?
Yes.
Are you sane?
No.
Have we coerced you or forced you to do this Inferno soup challenge?
No.
Have we? Did you complete at least a high school education?
Are you kidding me?
Kiss my ass, not so funny anymore. Huh?
Wow, I have a college degree or two. I have a couple of those.
They can pay you more if you went to college, I think.
So the deal is, so we've gotten people here that shouldn't be doing the challenge. So now we got to record you and make sure that you're of stable mental state.
Okay. Well, that's their own poor choice.
Well, you'd be surprised. So state your name, please.
Molly Schuyler.
My name is Brandon Clark.
Brandon Clark, are you sober, sir?
I am sober, 12 and a half years. Thank you.
Are you sane?
I'm sane.
Relatively, at least.
Relatively.
All right. Do you know what you're doing?
I know what I'm doing.
You know you're gonna mess up that pretty physique of yours, right?
Oh man, it took me 42 years to do this, but I only live once. YOLO.
All right. So we have a little form for you that basically says that we can ridicule you. We can do whatever you want, whatever we want with your face.
Whoa.
Oh.
And you might want to read
all these earrings, but I don't swing like that.
Relative to the picture we're gonna take of you.
Okay, pictures.
All right.
Yes.
Nothing personal.
All right.
We've sent 5 people to the hospital. 5. But that's not a joke. It's a 4-pound soup. You have half an hour to do it. Listen very carefully. You have half an hour to do it. You can't get up. You can't vomit. You can't yourself. We've had all of those happen, and they've lost. Yeah, challengers lose. You gotta know when to stop. If you don't know when to stop, you're gonna hurt yourself. This is a real challenge. So you gotta know when to stop. Well, you'd be surprised. People think that it's a lot like the wings, a lot like the other challenges that are, you know, small portions of this, small portions of that. and everything's fun and groovy until you get X number of ounces and your body can't handle it. So you got to know when to stop. You don't know when to stop, it's gonna hurt. You know what I mean? All right.
Can you repeat all that?
I'll gladly repeat all of it if you're serious.
No, I'm good.
All right. So
She's difficult.
we need you. I have noticed that.
You guys come from Tampa?
Go ahead and kick off your timers. You got
Oh, cool. Where at?
St. Louis.
You got 5 minutes to cool it down. Yep. Kick off your timer if you want.
Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
9:23 to stop time. Sometimes this gets gross, folks. So if you haven't eaten.
Damn. Damn. I don't care. If they lose, I win. If they win, I still win. I think I'm afraid. I hope they win. There's a reason people go to How hot is it?
Oh my God, I can't imagine.
Delicious. She's gonna beat your record.
He is fucking amazing, man. I don't care, dude. That's amazing. Yeah!
Wait. So
You got a couple coming your way. You got a couple coming your way. You gotta clean up. Keep going. No, then, have a cup of soup.
Hey, I really wanted to use this camera angle because the lighting was better. It's a better phone, but I had to keep switching to the other phone because this guy, don't know why, is attracted like a fly to glue trap, just right in the way. I mean, he was bobbing and weaving the whole time.
damn! Get it! If our mind's just done. Yes, totally.
Hey, I'm going to tell you what, I'm not trying to impersonate Popeye, but my left eye just got a drop of this hell water in it. So it didn't make it any easier.
Yes! Oh, yes! got the 500. Go to the restroom if you can. What's the time? That was 5 minutes. 4 minutes and 30 seconds, okay. Well, you had to replace it. But yeah. Whatever you want to call it. Hey, you want to call it? That's a great show.
Yeah, I honestly can't stress this enough that how hot this is. You just wouldn't believe me. And I was trying to pour this soup in the cup, but with my eye closed like that, I kept dropping the soup on my plate, and I couldn't even see hardly.
It's got to be as clean as that one, too. Plate two, plate two, plate two. Ah. You're good. Oh! Yeah! Congratulations, Darby.
Oh, this time. This is pretty quick, too.
They got 7 minutes.
That has to be like the record.
Jesus Christ.
Records for both of them.
Oh my god.
They both beat your, like...
That's good. I don't care.
That was awesome.
And that's how you do it.
Right? Do we have witnesses?
Yeah. Let's go.
Amazing. Damn.
Monumental night.
Hey, these people were badass. Yeah, they both finished it. That's how you do it. All right. Good luck to all of you future wannabes.
Hey, I have shirts here. Get them while they last. I have them anywhere from medium to 5X for only $20 a piece. Please get with me before you order to make sure I have your size in stock. And descriptions, there's payment options. Just check them out. Thank you. All right, please subscribe to my page. Click the notification bell on the right so you can get notified of recent uploads. Like the video. Go ahead and share it if you can, and I appreciate it. Have a great day. Listen to the plans.